Stock review. No charts, no nothing. Because I haven't made a move, period. My move into Dollar Tree was one of the best performers all week. My Saudi sovereign wealth fund was delisted. And it wasn't because it wasn't holding value or it didn't have enough investors. It was something that they did that they need to go through FCC or Federal Exchange Commission. Something they didn't report. Yeah, they're not reporting stuff. Well, on its way up, they didn't report something, but hopefully we'll see it back online. I looked at the rules on delisting and wherever it was at, which where I was in the positive, I get. So they can trade over the counter. Pink slips, I think they call it. Never been in exchange before. I have to go visit one day. But all my other my bonds, derivatives, BNDX, BNDW, beautiful. I don't need to move shit at this point. So I haven't been posting videos or nothing. I've just been watching my money grow. I bought Dollar Tree at 75. It hit 110 in less than a week. Went back down to 93. I expect for it to go back up again. I poke in once in a while, take a look. Finally, you, if you're trying trading like a jackass, making moves every day, I mean, I can imagine someone trying to get in position for a trend or a long run, needing to move some things around here or there at the beginning of a trade idea, of implementing a trade idea. But at the end of the day, that should take no longer than 2, 3 days. If you're trying to implement a trade idea and it's taking longer than a week to get in position, then the timing's off. If it takes more than 2, 3 trading days for your trade idea in order for you to get in position to make a trading idea work, because you can have a trading idea and buy at the wrong time, forget it. What do I say when I mean buy at the wrong time? You might have a beautiful trade idea, but who's going to wait 4 or 5 years for it to develop? Let it perform. When you pick stocks, let them perform. Let them show that they're worth something before you put your hard-earned money into it. Dollar Tree blew away PayPal. Can you imagine one day Dollar Tree is doing as well as Walmart? Well, matter of fact, compare Walmart stock and Dollar Tree stock. It's not going to be too long from now when Walmart will be decreasing and Dollar Tree will be blowing up. All through the week, when the market was so volatile and people didn't know what was going on, what they do? They ran into the bond market. I was already there. I was already playing volatility, but I was playing volatility as a hedge. Okay, you can go bounce back and forth between adverse, inverse, triple Q short, midterm, blah blah play. That's games, man. That's games. When you know the end result of a short ETF or a bull ETF, index ETF is a play for the bond market or a play into general stocks, which are companies and stuff. What about Air Lease? Did you take a look at how your airline stock's doing right now? What's up with that? Because I went Air Lease. Go look at Air Lease. Doing very well. Well, you didn't do your research. That's how you got zapped like that. Nobody's long term. Everybody's leasing aircraft around the world. Older aircraft are being retired. Air Lease is off the chain right now. I can go on and on. You can go to my past videos, take a look, but at the end of the day, I gotta go.